Ready to try it? 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, so today I will be making some fruit puree for my son. He should have been helping me, but here he is having his tea, watching Cocomelon. Do you want to come help me? Do you still want to help me? You still want to help mommy? Huh? Do you want to help mommy? Yes? You want to help me? Huh? Alright. I'm going to let you help me, okay? Yes? Yes? Alright. So I'm going to start and then let him help me to like put the things in the container or something like that. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to use 1/3 cup of blueberry. And I'm just going to use half of this apple. And I'm not sure how much of this, just a little piece. All right, look, boo. You're gonna take it out and put it right here. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna wash these off. I'm gonna wash these off with some water. Then I'm gonna pour them in for 15 minutes. All right, so this is 15 minutes later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it from the stove and put it on my cooling rack, and we're gonna let this cool, and then we can go ahead and blend. Okay, so this is all cool now, so what I'm gonna do is just pour it into this. Smells so good. Wow. Wow. Wow, Jahzzy Bear. This is looking so yummy. This is ready to eat, so I'm gonna try him with some. Ready to try it? 1, 2, 3. Wow. You like it? You do? Nice boy. Mmm. Yummy, yum. Yummy, yum. Yes. Yes. Nice boy. So this is apple, blueberry, and pear. Apple. 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 Mmm. Mmm. Yum, yum. It tastes so yummy, Jahzaire. Mmm. All right, I think that's enough, don't it? Okay, we're gonna have some more for lunch, okay? Okay? Right. Mmm. Smile, Jahzaire. Smile. Nice boy.